Where am I? Where? What the? Dave! Dave, it's me! It's hopeless. There's nothing I can do. There's no pure water left. There's no pureness in this whole goddamn world. There's nothing. No. There's still pureness. I know where the pure water is. It's inside of me. It's been inside of me all this whole time. I'm not gonna give up on you, David. I'll show all of you. I'll show you my pureness, David. I'll show you it. I've done it.
What is the secret of boat madness? Who does it serve?
It serves you, the master of boat madness.
Who am I?
You are David Rhodes.
Have you learned the secret of boat madness?
The secret is that it is not boat madness which makes people insane. It is life itself. Boat madness just reflects our inner desires. Dave, drink from the water and be reborn. That's it, Dave. That's it. Good, Dave. Whew. Good job. Woo! Whoa! I did not know how black my soul had become until it was pure again. For too long I have let life rule me. For too long I've stayed in the shadows. Now it is time to be David Rhodes once more.